Hello fam. In today's video I'm going to be showing you step-by-step processes on how to actually take a trade, what you need to do. All right, so in order for you to actually take a trade, okay, and before you execute, what should be your thought process, all right, and how to actually view the trend before you actually take the trade. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, so let's just get right into it. As you can see, this is the boom 500 index. I've already marked it out, and I've also shared this setup to my VIP members. So I just want to execute this trade. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking my entries as soon as the 4 hours candle closes. Okay, I'm gonna be taking my entries. All right, so already you can see that confirmation candle at that demand zone which I actually marked. Okay, so that is already marked. Here also, if you're looking at my chart, you can see also the 500 index which I've already taken a trade. So I'm just going to be telling you the step-by-step processes which I actually use in taking this particular trade, and I'm actually expecting to swing this trade to the upside. So without wasting much of the time, let's just dive back into the explanation of the whole thing. Okay, so guys, let me just show you the boom 1000 now as is the boom 500, sorry, now as is currently running. So I actually sent this setup to my VIP group, showed them the entry point, and now this trade is actually running to my target. Okay, we've been holding this since last night. Okay, we've been holding this since last night. So let me just show you guys at my free group, so the LIKEMINDEX trading setup. Okay, so here you can clearly see this is the before. Okay, before we entered into the trade, I clearly marked it out. Okay, and dropped to them. Let's try this out, fam. So and right now we're also running a promo for signals. As you guys can clearly see, we're also running a promo for signals. So if you'd like to join us, you can just come ahead and take this offer, guys. We also provide account management and signals. Okay, so the reason why I actually use that area, okay, this is the 4 hours order block. Okay, an order block is more likely like what a demand zone. Okay, so what happens? The market came to that area, tested it, all right, even tried to break below it, but it couldn't. Okay, because our stop loss was just below that area. All right, so you see that order block. A majority of the trades that I've been using this powerful order blocks. Okay, and even the VIX 50 in the last video I dropped, I used this powerful order block, okay, to actually get my entries in. All right, so and another thing again that gave us confidence is this: we have a Fibonacci tool from the swing low, okay, to the swing high. Okay, you can clearly see that this is what a 50%. All right, so 50% retracement is actually a valid level. So your other block coincides with what the 50% level of the Fibonacci, which indicates what high probability. Okay, because if you're actually getting your entries from the 38% and then the 23%, nah, all right, that will not be sustainable. So 50%, 60% are all good levels for you actually to pick for the market to actually retrace. Okay, so that's that. And if you like my content, guys, endeavor to hit the like button, subscribe, guys. Also follow us on the Telegram channel, where we provide signals and also we manage accounts. Okay, don't hesitate, guys. Don't hesitate. I know things are really hard, guys, but we can help you flip your account. All right, so we can help you flip your account. So it's actually still running, fam. It's actually still running. Okay, so it's running, fam. So I'll update you guys as the trade progresses. So as you guys can see, this is me actually taking the trade. Okay, I've already taken my trade, so I'm just gonna wait for it to actually play out. All right, But I'm also going to be offering the explanation later on in the video as the video progresses. I urge you guys to stay patient and just watch to the very end. Okay, so we are trading the higher time frame, and this is like a few hours later. The trade is actually moving to the upside, and it's making a lot of progress. I just hope we can actually hit our TP fast. The trade is actually running to the upside with great momentum. You can see how powerful these candlesticks are. So it's actually running firm. I want you guys to just stay tuned, watch this video to the very end, hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, fam. So right here you can actually see the 1 hour time frame. See how powerful these candlesticks are, and this is actually really encouraging. But I just hope the market doesn't retrace back and then head straight to our target. Okay, so that's that. All right, that's that for now. So guys, for the VIX, for the step index trade, okay, where actually the market actually retraced a bit and then hovered around our entries for a while. So same thing here. I just want to break this trade down a little bit for you guys so that you can actually understand. All right, so for the step index, we are still holding it. We took it some days ago and we're actually still holding. I never expected the market to actually retrace this much though, but it did. Okay, so but it did. Okay, fam. So I told my people to actually take partials around this area, so they have taken, and I think that profit was actually really massive. So but here, let me just do a little bit of trade breakdown for you guys and show you guys why I actually took that trade. So right here we have our daily order block. Okay, so we have our daily order block. You see that what happened, the market actually traded into this order block area. Okay, the market actually traded into it and it's actually holding up strong. Okay, it's actually holding up strong. So you can come to the 4 hours and redefine it. Okay, so that's your daily order block zone. So what happened, the market did not actually break this what low here. So what happened here is we have actually a sweep of what liquidity, and if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, we have our structural liquidity, and the market did not actually sweep this low. Okay, the market did not actually sweep that low. So we still have an order block here on the 1 hour. So you can clearly see on the 4 hours we have this order block. Okay, we have this order block, this demand zone. Okay, so it's actually holding up strong. We have a high, we have a low, so the market is actually going to keep pushing to the upside. So another reason why this trade is a high probability trade is this market has actually been trading below, okay, this area for a while, and then finally it now broke out. You see this chart pattern. Okay, so I'm actually expecting this market to actually keep pushing to go beyond this my target. Okay, that will happen in a couple of days. Yeah, it's going to happen in a couple of days. We're going to see this happen. So I'm expecting it to keep going to the upside because it just broke out of this area and then came for a retest. That's our first reason. Okay, that's the first reason why you should consider to buy this particular trade. Okay, the second reason is this. Okay, let me just pick my Fibonacci. The second reason is this: from this latest swing low, okay, to the swing high, what do we have? We have the market being at our below our 50 and then 60%. That means our order block area, okay, our order block area, daily order block. Let me just go ahead and delete this stuff so that we don't get confused. Okay, so our daily order block area coincides with the 50 and the 61% retracement level, okay, which signifies what strong level, okay, and high probability. Okay, it signifies high probability. Okay, so since that signifies a high probability, what do you expect? You expect the market to keep pushing to the upside. So the market respected that area and then moved with a lot of momentum up to this area and then retraced. And even up to now, the market has not actually gone past our entry. It just started into our entry and then it's actually going back to that uptrend scenario. Okay, so that's that. I'm just gonna hold this. Okay, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also follow us on the Telegram channel. So on the 1 hour, you can clearly see the confirmation candles that actually enabled us to enter this particular trade setup. Okay, so those are the candles that gave us the confirmation we needed. So fam, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also follow us on the Telegram channel. So see you guys in my next video.